Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Cauchy's residue theorem. The theorem states that if fz is analytic within and on simple closed curve C except at a finite number of singular points that are z1, z2, z3 up to zn, which are lying inside C, then closed integration of fz dz will be equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues of fz at that isolated singularities. So this theorem states that if we have to consider a closed region or curve, inside this closed region or curve we have some singular points where the function could not be definable, and that points are to be isolated singularities. Then according to Cauchy's residue theorem, closed integration of this function will be equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residues, means at each and every singular point what are the residues that I have to be add up into 2 pi I will be the value of this integration. Here fz is analytic everywhere and on this curve. So this type of scenario or discussion we have been discussed in our early classes. When we are started our classes, this type of discussion we are done. And regarding this type of situation, I have been given or told to you one story that one person taken some loan to do some work to do repair the wells which are inside his field where he wants to do cultivation. So that we are going to be discussed later. So this is the theorem that closed integration of fz dz 2 pi I, and this one residue, sum of the residues at those singularities. Now we have to prove it. Simple proof achi. Let consider an analytic function fz within and on a closed curve C except at finite number of singular points that are z1, z2, z3 up to zn, which are interior to C and also isolated. Okay, also isolated. So the picture is this one. That a closed region or curve we have, in that number of points 1, 2, dot 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 dot, this is dot 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 zk up to zn number of points are present. Then the closed integration of this function or of this curve or of this region will be equal to 2 pi I into residues at each and every isolated singular points. So how we are going to do? This problem will be solved by using Cauchy's integral theorem, whatever we have been studied in our starting or early classes. So these are the different curves or different regions. I have to do something that it will connect all the curve, this larger curve and the smaller curves with a one curve or with a single connected region. See, suppose here I have been started. My starting point is suppose here. Here I have been started. So I moved in this direction. Here one thing maybe we have been remembered, that if I will move in anti-clockwise, then it has to be taken as the positive. Clockwise means negative. So from this point I have been started, I moved like this, I moved like this. So if I want that also I have to cover this region or this point, then I have to be cross cut this one and moved around this singular point, then come out to the surface, again moved, again here I gone through a cut mark and again moved around this curve and again come to the on the surface of the larger circle or larger region, again I have gone in this way and again covered this one and like this. You can see that here this is the circle and these are the different circles not connected with each other, but in this way I connected all the circles with a one, with we can say that with a one connector. See, here I started means the same line is connected from this starting point to ending point. So in this way I connected all the regions. So same thing here it has been written. Hence each singular point can be enclosed by some small circles, that is C1, C2 and Cn, which are all separated as shown in figure 1. Here we can use Cauchy's integral theorem by constructing outlines of the multiple connected region, which is then made by simple connected by providing crosscut gamma k as shown in figure. So these are, we can say these are the multiple connected. This is one curve, one curve, one curve, one curve. We can say these are multiple curves. This multiple curves is transformed to the so-called simply connected. Simply connected means in one connector it has to be connect all the curves. Simple connected by providing crosscut means here I cutted something and gone to this point and followed around this point and come out on the surface. Then same thing I have been done for this point and this point. Means the multiple connected region is transformed by with the help of crosscut with a simple connected region. This is simple connected region means एक धागे में उसको बांध देना, ठीक है. इसको हम बोलते हैं तो so called crosscut or YK. For ZK point it is written as YK. For second point it has been gamma K, gamma 2, and it will be gamma 1 and like this gamma n. So now the function fz, is analytic everywhere. Now double thorough you have to. Now the function fz is analytic everywhere inside and on this curve. So wherever I have to move, if I will be done like this type of work, that I connected all the curves with a simple connected region, then wherever I will move, see, wherever I will move in this, on this curve or inside this, it will be called as analytic of that function. So the same thing, now the function fz is analytic everywhere inside and on this curve. So therefore, according to Cauchy's integral theorem, fz dz around C, bigger circle, larger C, is equal to fz dz close integration of C1 plus fz dz close integration of C2 ... about Ck and Cn. This is according to Cauchy's integral theorem. So how it is may you have been remembered when we have been studied Cauchy's integral theorem. I am going to just to recoil about that. You can refer your previous note, that is when we have been studied the consequences or effect of Cauchy's theorem. What we done there? Here it has two curves, means here it has how many curves? One is larger and another is 4 points I have been shown here. So you can say that one is larger, another 4. 5 curves are present here. But here it has two curves. One is larger curve, one is smaller curve, which is around the singular point. Here what we have been done? See, according to Cauchy's theorem, what it is? Around the closed curve, fz dz will be equal to 0. Because in this region, this will be fz dz equal to 0, that we have been already proved. So this is the so-called according Cauchy's theorem. So here what we done? See, this C is again subdivided in how, in which way you see, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Where A, B? A, B, C, D, E, F, G means almost this curve. So initially it has been named as C, and then after this the A, B, C, D, E, F, G is named as C1. Okay, so this larger curve is named as C1, that we are going to discuss. So whenever we have to consider this whole curve means connected part and the smaller circle, then how we are going to write? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then G to H, one line integral, then K, then H, I, J, K, a small circle, H, I, J, K, small circle, then K to A is equal to 0. So here I started, and when I end here, this type of path I have been followed. So these things also can be written in this way, that the so-called A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the outside circle is named as C1. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the outside circle named after C1. अच्छा, मु सेतळे कहितली गोटे कथा, ए आउटसाइड सर्कल को एई फॉर्मूला रे काम कला बेले आमे सी भी नहीं परिया, C1 नहीं परिया, नो प्रॉब्लम. किंतु एठु जेहेतु आमे सी नहीं जाइचे, तेणु करी सेम ना ही जीव बोली कि एठी C1 नबा को पडुची. तमे जदी एठी सी निया हैची, पुणी जदी पुणी नेक्स्ट टाइम जदी मोठी सी नेबी, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, so the answer will be here closed integral C is equal to C2 or this circle रे आसीबो. So जैसे जहाँ भी हो, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G is the so called C1, and then the cross cut line is gamma, and this then C2 curve, then minus gamma, because if I moved in this way gamma, that way it will be minus gamma, and this will be the C1 and this will be the C2 is equal to 0. Okay. So as this gamma and minus gamma are both same length and opposite direction, so these things will be cancelled out. So C1 is anti-clockwise, we have to consider as positive sense. C2 is clockwise, so whenever I will move on the C2, it will be clockwise motion. See, so in this way it will be anti-clockwise. When I am moving on the C2, it is clockwise. Okay, so clockwise means we have to consider negative, minus. So so this gamma term has been cancelled out. So what we found, C1 fz plus c2 fz is equal to 0, but c2 is nothing but negative sense. Same thing it has been written here. C1 traverse anticlockwise positive is negative, so that we can write C2 fz dz is equal to minus C2 fz dz. clockwise sense এটা clockwise sense रे लिखा है, यदि anti clockwise sense रे लिखिबी लिखा हबो ताल minus or the so called minus fz dz. So hence the equation number the previous equation will be how much? So it will be this is equal to minus, this equation is equal to C1 close integral fz dz is equal to minus C2 fz dz. However, C2 is itself clockwise, and if I am consider its anti-clockwise sense, then it will be again minus, we have to be multiply. Then we found that C1 close integration is equal to close integration of C2 fz. So here we have been two curves, means one is C1, another is C2. At the end what we found? We found this one. Okay, if we have number of curves, if I will consider another curve here, suppose it will be C3, then what will happen? Then it will happen C1 is equal to C2 plus C3 fz dz. If I will consider another curve here, C4 another curve, C4, then it will be plus fz dz C4, like that. Okay, so here the same thing we have been done, that C is equal to fz dz C1 C2 ck up to Cn. तम कह सर एठी तो आपण C1 इक्वल टू C2 कले, C3 C4 कले, हाउएवर एठी केमती C हला ना, माने ए आउटसाइड कर्व रो एठी ना दिया है कि C. ओके, आउटसाइड कर्व रो नाटा नेमिंग एज C. When I cross cut that one, also same name. Suppose I have to consider after cross cut, I have to consider it is CT, suppose CT, then it will be written as CT. Here I have been, when I done the cross cut, this C is named as C1. So only for that it is C1 and it is C2. So if I am not going to be change, it is the change no kari thante, tale it कौन होता था? C fz dz is equal to C2 fz dz. So it is on the base of naming. तो overall हमें यह पाया जे कि बाहर सर्कल उपरे बुली आसीबा जहा होची सम ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सर्कल रे बुली आसिले सेया, ता माने एटा कोन कहला fz dz c outside circle is equal to sum of inside circle c1 c2 ck up to cn. Only for that this is written, this one, and I have to be remove t here, because for your understanding here I written t, but outside circle c, and after given the cross cut of this also I have been keep that name C. So only for that we found is this one. Okay, so now here all curves C, C1, C2, CK, Cn are traversed in counterclockwise. Cross cut कर साला परे counterclockwise means reverse direction रे they are traversing in counterclockwise, means anti-clockwise means all are in positive sense. Whatever we have been discussed, but we know that the residue of fz is given by is how much? 2 pi I fz into dz. Maybe you are going to think this formula how, where it has came. See, when we have been started our residue chapter, what we found, B1 is nothing but called the residue is equal to 2 pi I fz dz. This B1 for a particular singular point. Likewise, for a different singular point that may be zk 1 2 3 whatever that we are going to consider singular point, that will be 2 pi I closed integration ck fz dz. एठी केवल अछि c अछि c fz dz. In general, if I am going to write this equation, this will be residue fz of the function, that will be 2 pi I ck fz dz at singular point where zk. Okay, so that implies this integration will be 2 pi I into residue at z equal to zk. Here k is equal to 1 2 3 up to n, right? So hence for c1 it will be 2 pi I residue of fz at z equal to z1, like that. For c2 residue at z equal to z2. For ck residue 2 pi I into residue at zk. So hence the equation number 1 will be fz dz equal to 2 pi I into sum of all the residues at the isolated singular points. Okay, so this is our proof of Cauchy's residue theorem. तो सिंपली आमे जदि एई Cauchy's रेसिड्यू थ्योरम को आमे जदि बुझिया को चेष्टा करबा, आमे जो पढ़िथिले बा मु कहिथिबा स्टोरी अनुसार देखो केमति होची. से जो पर्सन बैंक रो लोन आणला एई चारिटा बा तार जमी भितर थिबा जो वेल गुडा को से ता वेल चारिपटर कांथ उठा पई से बैंक को लोन आनीला आ कांथ उठै सारी. बैंक वाला जे तो आसीबे एवडा सो चाष जमी एठी चाष हेछि, कादो हेछि, पानी कादो हेछि, चाष हेछि. तो बैंक वाला आसी जो फील्ड रो एठी आसी पहुंचले, बैंक वाला आसी पहुंचले, ता सहित से जमीर मालिक भी अच्छी एठी. सो बैंक वाला कौन करिवे, वर्तमान ए जमी को इंस्पेक्शन करिवे केतेटा एक्चुअली प्रकृति रे कुओ अछि आ केतेटार खर्च होइछि पैसा, से इंस्पेक्शन करिवे. केमिति करिवे देखो कौन करिवे ना, से प्रथमे एई बाहर चारिपटे बुलिवे, बाहर चारिपटे एमति बुलले भितरे पसिया को तबे एतेटा इंटरेस्ट हेबनी, काहे कि ना एपटे घास फास हेइतबो, पानी कादु हेइतबो, किंतु एठु देखा जाउथिबो जे कि एगुडा सब प्लेन हेछि, चाष हेछि. तेनु करी से एई जो कहते चाष जमीर हिड उपर चल चल आसबे. सो एठी एई हिड साइड रे गोटे कुओ अछि. तो सेई कुओ पाखु एई शॉर्टकट रास्ता गले, कुओ ए प्रथम कुओ इंस्पेक्शन कले. सोडू इंस्पेक्शन कर साला परे से चाहि थान जदी एठू ए जाके आसी पारि थानते, एई डायरेक्शन आसी पारि थानते, किंतु एठी जेहेतु पानी कादुओ अछि आ चाष हेछि, तेणु करी से केबे भी चाहिबेनी एपटे, किंतु एठू तो देखा जाउछि ना एगुडा सब चाष जमी अछि. सो नो प्रॉब्लम, मीन्स एठी चाष हेछि माने इट इज सो कॉल्ड एनालिटिक फंक्शन. सो से लोक कहबे ना ना आमे पानी कादुर पसियानी, आमे पुणी हिड को उठी जिबा, हिडे जाइके देखि देखा जिबा. हौ चलो से गले से लोकटी कहबे सर हमर एठी आ गोटे अछि. अच्छा हो ठीक अछि, आमे आ भितर पसले सेकंड कुओ एटा के नंबर कुओ रे सेकंड कुओ बा के नंबर कुओ रे से इंस्पेक्शन कले, पुणी हिड को आसले, पुणी नेक्स्ट कुओटा को इंस्पेक्शन कले, एमते सब कुओ को इंस्पेक्शन करिकि आउ संपूर्ण चाष जमी को से इंस्पेक्शन करिकि पळेले. सो जो बैंक वाला आसिले से कुओ चारि पाखे बुलिले प्लस टोटल जमी को भी इंस्पेक्शन करिकि गले. So in this way we can think that the total inspection by the bank is nothing but around C is equal to around C, a total inspection around C is equal to nothing but inspection around गोटे कूओ, सेकेंड कूओ, थर्ड कूओ, फोर्थ कूओ आउ जतरा जदि भी कूओ अच्छी से इंस्पेक्शन कले कहीं ना यही कूओ को इंस्पेक्शन करुला समय रे सेमाने ए जमी गुड़ा को भी सेमाने दूर देखि पारी बे बा तुम आम एमती बुझीपार जे कि बैंक वाला केवल पैसा दी कूओ को इंस्पेक्शन करने चार्टा कूओ को इंस्पेक्शन करने को जदि इन्स्पेक्शन करने सो से ऊपर बुलिले प्लस टोटाली यही एरिया बुलिया जहा इज इक्वल टू आ चारिपटे प्लस सेकेंड को चारिपटे थर्ड को फोर्थ को चारिपटे बुलिकी इन्स्पेक्शन करदेवाटा भी सैया सो से बाहर बुलिबा जहा बा द सो कॉल्ड FZ/DZ around C is equal to around C1 plus around C2 plus around CK plus around CN. So in this way we can understand or we can remember the whole things whatever we have studied in mathematics with the help of this short story. So now we are moved towards a simple problem using the Cauchy's residue theorem. Simple problem. See, 5z minus 2 dz by z into z minus 2. So we have to find out, evaluate this integration for z mod equal to 2 and z mod equal to 1. So evaluate of this integral means the so called 2 pi I summation over residue at each singular point. So here two singular points. So when we have to start the solution, we found that two singular points, that is z equal to 0 and z equal to 2. As there is no order on this at the denominator, there is no order, there is no z square, zq like that, nothing is there. So these are these singular points are so called simple poles. So at simple pole of z0 residue will be 1. You can pause the video and you can write, no problem, or I will be send this problem is equal to 1. Next, residue at 2 will be equal to, by this formula, equal to 4. Okay, now we have to consider first question, that z mod equal to 2, this is 2. Okay, so that means this circle's equation is z mod equal to 2 means z minus 0 equal to 2 means the circle's center is at 0 and radius is 2. Right, so this is the circle. So inside this circle or on this circle, inside and on this region, z0, our singular points z0 equal to 2 is there, and inside that z0 equal to 0 also is there. So hence, as the two singular points inside or on this region or curve, then this integral's answer will be 2 pi I into sum of the residues. So 2 pi I into 1 plus 4 is equal to 10 pi I. But in case of z mod equal to 1, z mod equal to 1 means the circle center will be at 0 but radius is 1. For this case, z equal to 0, z0 equal to 0 singular point inside the circle, but z0 equal to 2 is the outside the circle. So z0 equal to outside the circle means, you remember, maybe you remember, outside means it will be the integration will be 0. So this singular point should not be considered because the defined region is this one. So we have to consider only this point. So sum of the residue means at z equal to 0 is equal to 2 pi I. Okay. Same thing I have given one problem for you for today. that this one. These problems simple pole already we have been done. We have been done that we can get 4 simple poles for this function. The 1 by z to the power 4 plus 1, we can get 4 simple poles, right? 4 simple poles. So no need to again calculate it's a simple pole. We have to calculate the integral at the for considering the simple pole. Here you have to carefully observe that after getting simple poles z1, z2, z3, z4, then you have to consider this one. Means here the so-called circle is at center is at 0 and radius is equal to 1. So in this circle you have to find or you have to find out that which of these simple poles are inside this circle. These simple poles will be considered for finding the residue or the sum of the residue, and then the so-called integration will be 2 pi I into sum of the residue. And other points which are not inside this region, those points or those singular points would not going to be considered for this problem. Got it? Now this is the work for today. Thank you.